I've been a carpenter on and off for about 7 years. I've seen a guy shoot his hand to a truss. I've seen a guy hit his knee and his knee got stuck. He couldn't bend his knee. I've heard of several other incidents. I mean, the way we look at it, it happens. It's a dangerous job. Someone's got to do it. And the thing at work is speed. Get it done, get it done, get it done. My first one was when I first started. They wanted me to hold the gun and use it with my thumb. We was built on a slab. It wasn't a basement. It was apartments on a slab. And to keep the nail from shooting down into the out of the studs into the ground or hitting the concrete, they wanted us to pull the trigger with our thumb. And like I said, I was new at it at the time, and I was trying to maneuver the gun and hold it straight, and it came out the top of the plate and stuck these two fingers together. We was framing up exterior walls. We stood the walls up, and I was nailing the walls to the floor, to the subfloor. I ran out of hose, and I was kind of bent down, so I pulled on the hose and hit my boot and shot a nail through my bone. Kind of said some choice words, and my boss said, "What's wrong?" I said, "I think I shot a nail in my foot." And he said, "Well, did you or didn't you?" And I took a look, and yeah, it was a nail. You can see the head and the top of my shoe. We went to the hospital. They stayed with me for a while. Then the riding boss, the big boss, came, and they sat there with me. Made sure that everything was taken care of and workman's comp. I mean, they was, after the incident, it seemed the company was real supportive in taking care and make sure it was done properly. They did some x-rays to check and see what I hit or make sure, nothing was in the way, I guess, before they pulled it out. And then I was there for a while. They gave me some medication, take the pain away, and then came and pulled the nail out. The injury caused me to miss about a month of work. That was the first time I hit a bone. So every other time, you just tape it up and get back to work. You don't expect injury. You don't expect mess ups or accidents to happen because it's what I do. I do my job, and that's what I am trained to do.